Hello and welcome everyone. What a beautiful day to be in the outside. Let's talk about stand-up paddleboarding. On a warm, calm day, you'll be hard pushed to find anything more relaxing, rewarding, energizing and fun than cruising the water on a stand-up paddleboard. Well, I think so anyway. If you're thinking of trying it, I'm hoping I can persuade you to give it a go. I've made this video for one simple reason. Over the last couple of years, I've got into stand-up paddleboarding, SUP, supping, paddleboarding, whatever you choose to call it. For me, it fulfills a range of criteria that I look for when challenging myself in the outside. A combination of physical exercise, mental relaxation, and outdoor recreation. Though I don't manage to get out and do it regularly through the year, overall it is now one of my favourite things to do. In this video, I'm going to explain why. Here we go. If you're already into stand-up paddleboarding, you'll understand why it's so popular, but stick around and enjoy the scenery anyway.
Oh, I'm such a noob.
Or check out this link and have a laugh at me trying step-back turns for the very first time. You know what paddleboarding is. Basically, standing on a big surfboard type thing and paddling around on the water. It might look hard or even intimidating, but trust me, it's easier than it looks. And if you're thinking of trying it for the first time, let me explain why you absolutely should. Ah, the beach, the sun, the sand and the sea. You can sit and enjoy the view. Or you can get active and actually become a part of the scenery. Paddleboarding can be as relaxing or as hard as you want it to be. You can be as laid back or as competitive as you want. You can take it slow and enjoy the scenery, or you can challenge yourself with a race or a surf session. Here's a quick list of 6 good reasons why you should give it a go. Paddleboarding is convenient and accessible once you have the necessary basic equipment. Inflatable stand-up paddleboards, or ISUPs, are easily transported. Now, I'm not going to go into all the kit and equipment in this video, other than to underline what others have already said, that although the cost of equipment can vary, you do generally get what you pay for. If you're interested, there's loads of helpful stuff online. Once you have the equipment though, you can paddle almost anywhere. On a calm day, just choose where you want to go. Lakes, rivers, the ocean, the choice is yours. Stand-up paddleboarding is a workout, or if you prefer, just a gentle stretch. That's really up to how you feel on the day. As an exercise, it offers a unique workout quite different from the traditional and, in my opinion, boring gym exercises. It's a form of aerobic exercise that gets your heart rate up. Not only will it improve your cardiovascular health, it also provides an excellent full body workout that engages your core, arms, shoulders and legs. It will help to improve your posture, and it is a low impact activity that is easy on your joints, making it an ideal exercise for people of all ages. While it does help to have some flexibility, this too can be improved over time and with regular practice. Enjoy the workout. You're using your core and leg muscles to balance on the board and your arms and shoulders to paddle. It's like a full body workout without even realising it. Paddleboarding can be a peaceful and meditative experience, allowing you to disconnect from the world and relax. It can be a great way to relieve stress and improve your mood. You get to enjoy nature and the calming sound of water. Being out on the water is incredibly calming and peaceful. For me, this is probably the biggest benefit, a great way to clear your mind and escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. When I'm out on the water, I really feel like all my worries were left on land. Paddleboarding is a family-friendly activity that can be enjoyed by people of all ages. Children with water confidence and reasonable swimming ability will have no problem, but be prepared. For them, the enjoyment is falling in, or at least making sure that you do. Although I'll often paddle alone, it's always fun to go with friends. And who knows, you might even make new friends while out on the water. I've met many cool people while paddleboarding. Stand-up paddleboarding allows you to explore new places and take on new challenges. It's a great adventure activity, an eco-friendly activity. It also gives you a unique perspective of your surroundings, allowing you to see things from a different angle. I've had some memorable wildlife encounters, and if the water's clear, you'll marvel at what you get to see. Now, of course, there is a learning curve. Getting out for the first few times, trying to balance while paddling, can be as much a mental challenge as a physical one, requiring focus and concentration. This can and will improve over time with regular practice. So here's the challenge. If you commit to getting out on a stand-up paddleboard 10 times over one summer, I guarantee you'll notice a huge improvement in this relatively short time span, and your confidence will grow accordingly.
Nice. Okay. No idea what the plan is here. A few more waves than I'm used to. Let's go and give it a go.
Okay, I know what you're thinking. My balance is terrible. I'm no pro surfer. I'll just fall off and embarrass myself. Trust me, even the most experienced paddleboarders fall off sometimes. It's all part of the fun. And of course, you are going to fall off.
Gotta keep trying. Here we go then.
Now, as an ageing teenager keen to try board sports, I know a thing or two about falling off. But where stand-up paddleboarding is concerned, well, this should never be the reason why you won't give it a try.
Go a little bit more.
Falling is an integral part of learning any new board sport, and it will happen. You will fall off. But the more it happens, the less you'll worry about it, and the better you'll become at managing the consequences.
I've got to keep trying. Practice, practice. Right, let's fall in again. Straight up.
And in reality, if you planned ahead, the consequences are minimal. You will get wet, but you probably won't get hurt. Much.
Oh my goodness, I jumped off onto a stone and it really hurt my toe. I think I swore.
Which toe?
My big toe.
Which one? Which big toe? Left or right toe?
Right.
Which one is the
The
one?
one on the right.
Which one? Which one?
What you will get as you keep trying is more confidence, and before long, climbing back on the board will become so natural that you won't even have to think about it, even in deep water. And once your confidence builds, it is so satisfying gliding across the water like you're walking on air. You will become part of the beach scenery, and who knows, you may yourself inspire those left on the beach gazing out to sea to give it a try themselves. So what are you waiting for? Grab a friend, rent a paddleboard and hit the water. I promise you won't regret it. It's a fun, rewarding activity that's easy to learn, if you don't mind falling in a few times. And let's face it, falling in is part of the fun. It's the quickest way to learn and improve your skills. Just remember to laugh it off and have fun. That's what paddleboarding is all about. The perfect way to explore the water and get some exercise at the same time. The best part of paddleboarding? The real fun begins when you stand up on the board and paddle out into the open water. The feeling of freedom and connection with the ocean. It's a peaceful, meditative experience that will leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. The promise of fun and adventure. So if that's what you're after, get on board and give paddleboarding a try. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the old thummy thing. It'll help spread the word. And remember, the key to success is to stand up and paddle. I'll see you again soon, in the outside.